Ever wondered why bulky blenders steal space but still disappoint? Today, I'm revealing the top 6 best small size blenders that save space, time, and energy, perfect for real life. Welcome to my channel. If one clicks your heart, grab it easily through the links in the description and blend smarter, not harder. On number 6 is Ninja Fit Compact. Imagine trying to squeeze a full smoothie routine into a tiny kitchen space and failing. That's the everyday struggle until the Ninja Fit Compact steps in. This powerhouse packs serious blending performance without taking over your counter. Its sleek, small frame design doesn't just save space, it transforms mornings into effortless nutrition moments. Many small blenders struggle with ice or frozen fruit. The Ninja Fit Compact doesn't flinch. Its sharp blades crush and whirl ingredients evenly, leaving no chunky surprises. Compared with others, it feels sturdier, quieter, and more precise, especially when you want single-serve smoothies in seconds. Practically painless. A few rinses and it's ready for the next round. The trade-off is slightly smaller capacity, but that's a fair exchange for speed, portability, and consistent texture. For anyone juggling time, space, and health goals, this compact blender turns daily prep from a chore into a quick, satisfying win. Your countertop just found its tiny hero. If you want, I can also craft 3 alternative hooks and endings for this review so it stays fresh for multiple videos. Do you want me to do that? At number 5 is Turbosaver TB79. Ever tried squeezing a smoothie into your hectic morning and ended up with a lumpy mess? That frustration ends with the Turbosaver TB79, a small-size blender that flips convenience on its head. Its compact design fits anywhere: tiny kitchens, dorm rooms, or even a busy office counter without sacrificing power. The Turbosaver TB79 handles frozen fruits, nuts, and greens with surprising ease. Unlike bulkier models like the Ninja Mini, this one blends quickly, saves time, and doesn't leave chunks behind. Cleanup is almost effortless, which feels like a small miracle after a rushed morning. Yes, the motor is slightly louder than some ultra-quiet options, but the trade-off is speed and efficiency. Its portability means you can take it on trips, ensuring your healthy habits never skip a beat. For anyone tired of compromises between size and performance, the Turbosaver TB79 proves small and can still feel mighty. Every sip reminds you finally found a blender that keeps up with life. At number 4 is Chefman Obliterator 48 ounces. Imagine your morning smoothie turning into a gritty disappointment because your blender just can't handle frozen fruits. Frustrating, right? That's where the Chefman Obliterator 48 ounces enters, transforming tiny kitchen counters into powerhouses of nutrition. Among the top 6 best small-size blenders, this compact juggernaut stands out for its high-capacity 48 ounces jar that seems almost impossible for a small blender. Its stainless steel blades crush ice and frozen berries in seconds, making protein shakes and green smoothies silky smooth, no chunks, no hassle. Compared with others, the Chefman Obliterator offers larger capacity without sacrificing speed, perfect for those prepping for the week ahead. It's slightly louder than ultra-compact models, but the results justify the hum. Cleanup is surprisingly easy, and the sleek design fits neatly under cabinets. For anyone tired of compromises between size and power, this blender delivers relief, efficiency, and a little spark of excitement to your daily routine. Turn small moments into mighty blends, this blender makes it effortless. If you want, I can also rewrite it with even punchier friendly micro segments with natural pauses for visuals and narration cues, perfect for high-retention videos. On number 3 is Colarlemo 12-piece. Imagine reaching for a blender, only to be greeted by a bulky, counter-hogging appliance that makes you rethink your morning smoothie. That struggle ends with the Colarlemo 12-piece, a compact powerhouse designed for kitchens where space is sacred. Among the top 6 best small-size blenders, it shines not just for its size, but for its versatility. Each piece of the set fits seamlessly, letting you blend, grind, and serve without extra clutter. Compared with others, the Colarlemo 12-piece surprises with smoother textures and quieter operation. The small capacity means larger batches require multiple cycles, but the trade-off is a device that slides effortlessly into any cabinet. Users find themselves whipping up fresh juices, protein shakes, and even nut butters faster than expected, turning frustration into delight. For anyone craving efficiency without compromise, this set transforms a chaotic kitchen routine into a simple, enjoyable ritual. Small in size, mighty in impact, it quietly changes mornings forever. I can also create a version broken into micro segments for narration with natural pauses and transition cues for high retention. At number 2 is Hamilton Beach Go Sport. Emotionally engaging product review script for your request. Ever tried packing a smoothie for a morning hike, only to spill half in your bag? That chaos ends with the Hamilton Beach Go Sport. Small yet surprisingly mighty, this compact blender slips into a backpack and whirls through frozen fruits and ice with almost alarming ease. Its 14-ounce jar might look modest, but it delivers a creamy, lump-free drink every time. Compared with other top small-size blenders, like the Go Sport, stands out for portability and ease of cleaning. One-button operation removes the guesswork, perfect for rushed mornings or post-workout refuels. The trade-off: it's not designed for large batches, so think single servings. But for one on the go, it's a revelation. The leak-proof lid ensures zero mess, letting you focus on the adventure ahead rather than cleaning spills. If convenience could taste, the Hamilton Beach Go Sport would be a flavor-packed hug and a cup, your tiny kitchen hero on the. Now moving to the last one is Sangcon 1000 Watt. Emotionally engaging and unique product review for the Sangcon 1000 Watt in the context of the top 6 best small-size blenders. Ever struggled to make a smoothie in a tiny kitchen without juggling a dozen appliances? That's where the Sangcon 1000 Watt steps in. Compact yet powerhouse, it fits snugly on any counter while delivering a blend that rivals full-size blenders. Its 1000 watt motor effortlessly crushes ice, frozen fruit, and nuts, turning morning chaos into creamy, satisfying drinks in seconds. Unlike some small blenders that sputter under pressure, the Sangcon 1000 Watt maintains consistent speed, giving you silky textures every time. Cleaning is surprisingly quick, no more wrestling with stubborn blades. Compared with others, it handles tougher ingredients with less noise and more precision. A minor quirk: its jar could feel slightly tight for larger batches, but that's a small trade-off for portability. For anyone craving convenience without compromising performance, this small-size blender is a game-changer. The Sangcon 1000 Watts transforms everyday blending from a chore into a delight. If you want, I can also make a punchier, optimized version with hooks and microsegments. Winner: you should pick the Ninja Fit Compact because it delivers the best balance of power, usability, and overall performance among your listed options. It features a 700W motor strong enough to crush ice and frozen fruit for smoothies and shakes, comes with to-go cups and lids, and is easy to clean and store thanks to its compact design, ideal for everyday single-serve blending. Reviews show it consistently handles tough ingredients well and offers excellent value for a personal blender compared to basic or less powerful alternatives. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best small-size blender. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.